Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about Class 10 Science Karnataka State Board Blueprint for the academic year 2022. Now in this video I am going to give you the complete details chapter wise, from which chapter how many marks questions can come for this academic year and also the current syllabus. Let's begin. So this is the chemistry syllabus. These are the chapters from chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equation, acid, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, carbon adits, compounds, periodic classification of elements. So these are the chapters which is present in your part 1 and part 2 of science. Next, coming back to physics syllabus, light, reflection and refraction, human eye and a colorful world, electricity, magnetic effect of electric current, sources of energy. Next, coming back to biology syllabus, life processes, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, our environment, sustainable management of natural resources. Now what I have given here, the information, this is the complete syllabus. Okay, this is the complete syllabus. Now, so if you want to go through this information, you can just read up these points. Chemical reaction, this is the complete information, like what are the topics, which are the topics are present in this entire chapter. For an example, you have to study the chemical equation, and then you need to study about the balanced chemical equation and how to balance, and implications of a balanced chemical equation, types of chemical reactions, combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, precipitation reaction, neutralization reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. So these are the chemical reactions. Is this clear? And also along with this, rancidity. One point is missing, you can just make a note, that is rancidity. Similarly, I have given the complete information about each and every chapter here. Okay, so metals and non-metals, carbon and its compounds, periodic classification of elements, life processes, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, reflection of light, refraction of light, human eye and a colorful world, electricity, magnetic effects of electric current, sources of energy, our environment, sustainable management of natural resources. So here I have given you the complete brief information about the entire syllabus. Now we are going to discuss first here. Now here we are doing the analysis. Okay, here we are doing the analysis of the question paper of 2020. My dear students, I just want to give you one important information here. I just like to tell you this. I hope most of you doesn't know about this information. Since 2018 the syllabus has got changed. Okay, before this we had one syllabus and after that there is a new scheme. The first new scheme and the new pattern is been implemented in the year 2020. The students who have written the exam in the year 2020, okay, on that particular year they have given the new syllabus. Before 1 year the new syllabus was appeared. Along with that, what happened in 2020, even they have changed the marking scheme. Okay, आपको 2020 से पहले जैसे कि 2019 में, okay, 2019 in that new syllabus has come, आपको न्यू सिलेबस दिया गया था. लेकिन 2020 में क्या किया गया है, न्यू सिलेबस तो दिया है, उसके बावजूद आपको न्यू पैटर्न भी दिया है. मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, हाउ दे विल आस्क द क्वेश्चंस, दे हैव चेंज्ड. And along with that, in this 2020 they have informed that from this year there will be no blueprint. From this year there will be no blueprint. They are going to give you theme based questions. Example, from all physics this number of marks, from all chemistry chapters this number of marks, and from all biology chapters this number of marks. But total marks they have said, example physics this number of marks, but which chapter how many marks they have not given, and also from which chapter how many marks questions will come, whether 1 mark questions will come from that chapter, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, they have not said. They said that in 2020 from any chapter any type of questions can be asked, so the students have to go with all the questions. But here we can make the strategy by seeing this paper 2020, okay, how this year question paper can come. But remember in 2021 there was a 30% reduction in the syllabus, and along with that they have made MCQ type questions, okay, that is multiple choice questions. So we are not following 2021 pattern question paper, we are following 2020 pattern question paper. See children, here I will be giving you the information about 2020 annual paper and supplementary paper. Here you can see, and at least you can make the strategy that which chapter how many marks questions can come and which chapter has more weightage of asking the questions. Here from chemistry, chemical reactions and equations, as you can see they have asked 1 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question in this year. Total 4 marks. Similarly, bases and salts, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question. Total 6 marks. Metals and non-metals, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question. That is total 6 marks. Carbon and its compounds, 1 mark 1 question, again 1 mark 1 question and 4 mark 1 question, which carries total 6 marks. Periodic classification of elements, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, altogether 3 marks. So total it was 25 marks from chemistry. Then coming back to biology part, as you can see here the bio questions. From life process, total 6 marks, control and coordination, total 6 marks, how do organisms reproduce, total 5 marks, heredity and evolution, 5 marks, our environment, 4 marks, sustainable management of natural resources, 1 mark, total 27 marks, okay, as you can follow this pattern. Then light, from the chapter light, reflection and refraction, 7 marks. This is physics, these are the chapters from physics. Light 7 marks, human eye and the colorful world 5 marks, electricity 7 marks, magnetic effect of electric current 6 marks, sources of energy 3 marks, total 28 marks. So this was the pattern which was followed in this year, okay, that is 2020 supplementary board exam. But now if you see the change, in annual paper, how was it? As you can see here, from chemical reaction and equations 4 mark, acid bases and salts 5 marks, metals and non-metals 7 marks, carbon and its compounds 5 marks, periodic classification of elements 4 marks, but total is 25. But you can see the change in the total marks and also the questions, and also with the questions. So I instruct each and every student, so please go with this pattern, think what are the changes have appeared, and also you can make the strategy how you can make this year question paper, okay. We no need to wait till the board exam, we ourselves can prepare the board blueprint by analyzing the previous year papers. Is this clear? Good. Now you can see here what was the change. Here in chemical reaction and equation 4 marks, right, but here you can see again here also it is 4 marks, and then acid bases and salts 5 marks, here acid bases and salts 6 marks, metals and non-metals 6, carbon and its compound 6, periodic classification 3. Similarly even here as you can see there was 6 and here is 5, 7, 5, 4, but total is 25. Similarly, as you can see total is 27 and here total is 28, but you can see light here 7 marks, human eye 6 marks, electricity 6 marks, magnetic effect of electric current 7 marks, sources of energy 2 marks, total is 28. Got it? Very good. Now my dear students, we can see here as per the reduced syllabus. So this is our reduced syllabus. Chemical reaction and equation, we have full chapter. We need to study acid, bases and salts, we have to study fully. Metals and non-metals, we have to study only the concepts. The concepts are not there in this chapter. Those are 3.4 and 3.5. This topic is deleted as per the reduced 20% syllabus. Then life process, control and coordination, electricity, magnetic effect of electric current, our environment, we need to study this fully. But carbon and its compounds, concept 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, it is deleted. Periodic classification of elements, we need to study completely. How do organisms reproduce, that is concept number 8.1 and 8.2, it is deleted. That is about the plants, that is unicellular organisms. Okay, how the reproduction takes place in unicellular organisms, that is what they have deleted here. But actually, frankly to speak, it was very interesting. But I request all the students, maybe this topic has got deleted, but please study this topic, then only you can differentiate with the next topic. Okay, if you study this topic, it is very wonderful and very interesting also. Maybe this topic is not there for your exam, but still once you can go through it, it is well and good. Next, heredity and evolution, light, reflection, refraction, you have to study full. Human eye and the colorful world, this complete chapter is not there. So this chapter marks will be shifted to other chapters. Next, sources of energy, you have to study this full. Sustainable management of natural resources, this chapter is completely deleted. It means that in human eye, if you see the pattern, if we see here, from human eye and the colorful world, this chapter was asking for 6 marks. But remember my dear students, this total 28 marks will remain same. Okay, now this is one of the advantage for you people. Why? Because you have only light chapter, electricity, magnetic effect and sources of energy. Within this chapter, this 6 marks has to be shifted. Okay, आपको ये जो 6 marks इधर से इधर पे पूछा गया था, if you see annual paper, it was for 6 marks. If you see the supplementary paper, I'm just differentiating here, it was 5 marks. So we can keep minimum 5 marks for this chapter. Yes. So this minimum 5 marks will be shifted to you in any of these chapters. They can shift either in light, but already light has been asked for maximum marks 7. It is well and good. 7. Okay, it is also well and good. Magnetic effect, it is also well and good. Now most probably chances are there they can shift some 1 or 2 marks for sources of energy, and for light, electricity and magnetic effect they can shift 1 or 2 marks. Any of these chapters, 1 and 2 marks they can shift here. So this minimum 5 marks will be shifted. But here sustainable management of natural resources, here they have asked only for 1 mark. It doesn't make any difference over there. Okay, it doesn't make any difference over there. And here they have asked for 3 marks. Some minimum you can keep an average 2 marks. But here the chapters are more in bio. The chapters are more as you can compare to physics. Okay, so physics is very interesting and very scoring topic. Okay, the part of the science that is physics, it is very interesting and you can score very good marks. And again coming back to this chemistry chapters, in metals and non-metals, the last topic they have deleted. Carbon and its compounds, even here also the last topic has deleted. It means that this 4 mark question where they were asking, that is from the last topic only. Now this last topic question has the weightage to ask for 4 mark. But right now what they can do here, very simple, this 4 mark topic can be shifted to acid, bases and salts. Remember this. Why? Because the topics which are left out here, okay, majority of the topics I don't think so they can ask for 4 mark. इधर पे कोई भी जो क्वेश्चन जो भी टॉपिक्स है उसमें 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन तो उनको मिलेगा नहीं. So what they can do, they can shift this 4 mark question for acid, bases and salts. The chances are very high. And also they can ask even in carbon and its compounds. So 4 mark questions can be either in acid, bases and salts or carbon and its compounds. So you need to check it out with these chapters, go thoroughly with this acid, bases and salts and even carbon and its compounds. Why? Because you can expect 4 mark question either from these two chapters. And metals and non-metals, they will shift for 3 marks. Okay, 3 mark question is available in this chapter as per the reduced syllabus, but 4 marks slightly it is not there. Okay, so I have given you the strategy, how and what you have to do. Is this clear? Good. Now after this, as you can see, these are the important areas which you have to cover. So drawings, they will ask for 16 marks. This electron dot structures are hydrocarbon molecular formula, structural formula and naming the compound by using functional groups. You can expect around 4 mark questions from this area. Formulas for problem solving and important physical terms, SI units, where you can expect around 4 marks. To balance the chemical equation, 2 marks. Differences, they may ask you here. You can expect at least 2 differences questions which carries 2 marks each. So total 4 marks. If you remember the reactivity series of metals, okay, from that part you can expect 2 marks. And you listing out the uses of chemical compounds where you can expect around 2 marks. So these are the important areas you have to cover. Only from this area, as you can see here, minimum you can score 16 plus 4 20 plus 4 24, 26, 30, 32, 34. So this is the minimum passing package. At least if you go through these topics and the areas of related to these topics, minimum you can score 30 plus marks. Now as you can see, this is the pattern of your question paper. Types of questions, multiple choice questions. You will be getting 8 questions total from physics, chemistry and bio. Each carries 1 mark. Total is 8 marks. 1 mark questions, again 8 into 1, that is 8. 2 mark questions, 8 into 2 is equals to 16. Here you will be getting 2 internal choice questions. Out of this 8, some 2 questions they will give you choice. You have to answer any one. Next 3 mark questions, 9 into 3, that is equals to 27. 9 questions, each carries 3 marks. So here 4 internal choice questions will be given. Okay, they will be giving 4 questions choice. आपको 2 questions दिया, I mean 4 questions ऐसे दिए जाएंगे जिसके अंदर आपको किसी एक को आंसर करना पड़ेगा. Means 4 questions, 4 choice. You have to answer any one. 4 mark, 4 questions, total 16 marks. You will get 1 internal choice question. आपको इसमें कोई एक क्वेश्चन आपको चॉइस दिया जाएगा, आपको किसी एक को आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. Next 5 mark, you get 1 question which carries 5 marks. Total 80 marks. So totally you will be getting 38 questions for 80 marks. My dear students, one important update here. Still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all. Okay, and after watching this complete video, do not forget to share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. Is this clear? And the admissions are opened in our coaching center. If any students are interested to join for our regular coaching, okay, we do take classes from class 6 to class 12th. If any of your colleagues or any of your juniors are willing to join for regular classes, online or offline, you can just contact to us on this given contact numbers. We do have branches in Tannery Road and Shivajinagar. The head office is there in the Tannery Road, and also we conduct summer camp. Okay, during the summer holidays, certified courses will be conducted on abacus, Vedic maths, phonics, calligraphy, handwriting and computers. These are the special features of our institute. We have the experienced and highly qualified staff. We are going to cover the holistic coverage of complete syllabus through manual and smart learning classes. We conduct regular practice tests to ensure continuous revisions. Shortcut techniques for better time management and cracking complex questions will be taught. Weekend testers are conducted and monthly orientation classes also will be conducted. Updated and well-researched study materials are provided. Every year nearly 70 to 80% questions in 10th board exam have been appeared from our ESCC study materials, and personalized performance analysis reports are provided to parents, which can be accessed through our online portal evershinecoachinggroups.com. Workshops are conducted to enrich the knowledge and adopt creative learning, and also we do project work assistance. Students who are interested to join our Telegram channel to get the latest updates and notifications for their exams, important topics, videos, notes, questions, etc. You can follow this link www.t.me/evershinecoachinggroups.com. This is our Telegram channel link. You can join to our Telegram channel, and also you can join to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, SHAH Shah SIR Sir Classes, and individual attention is given to cater the needs of every student. And this entire premises in under CCTV surveillance. We have achieved since 2007 100% results. We have limited seats. Hurry up. And these are the diagrams which you are supposed to practice. These all are the important diagrams. You can just cross check it out whether you have practiced these diagrams. Actually it's a 3D diagram. You can draw even this type of diagram also. Okay, it's a 3D, but this is 2D. You can draw the two-dimensional view, and this is 3D. Again, this is the two-dimensional view of the same diagram. Similarly, as you can see nephron, you can draw this two-dimensional view diagram also. Is this clear? And then structure of neuron, vertical section of human brain. You can draw even this diagram. Schematic diagram of electric current, studying Ohm's law, and common electric circuit diagrams when the resistors are connected in series and parallel, pattern of magnetic field, electric motor, electric generator. Okay. Longitudinal section of a flower, germination of pollen and stigma, ray diagrams. So these are the different ray diagrams of mirror and then lens, and we have achieved excellent result. This is our last year performance. As you can see here, we do have got most of our students in first language Kannada. They have scored 125 out of 125. Highest marks in Kannada, 100 out of 100. So these are the students who have scored 100 out of 100. Third language Hindi also we have got top 100 out of 100. As many these students, and also maximum students have scored above 90s. Mathematics highest marks is 100 of 100, and maximum score of maximum students is above 90s. Science highest marks is 100 of 100, and the rest of the students also the marks is above 90s and 80s. Social science 100 of 100, and maximum students marks are above 80s and 90s. And next, ray diagrams for the lens. So these are the lens ray diagrams. And these are the electron dot structures for 2 marks. You need to practice these electron dot structures. Okay, so these are the important electron dot structures which you need to practice. I hope the given information is very clear to you all. On behalf of Evershine Coaching Center, managed by Evershine Educational and Charitable Trust, we have started the free online crash course program for 2021-2022 syllabus, Karnataka State Board and CBSE Board. Subjects mathematics, science, social science and second language Kannada. Okay, it's completely free. Classes are conducted. Actually, yesterday was the last day, the 8th of Jan. We have already started these classes. Still the admissions are open till tomorrow. Okay, I mean to say till 9th of Jan, that is today. The admissions are open. If any students are interested to join for this crash course, you can join, but you need to pay only one time registration fee, which is rupees 1000 per subject, and these classes will be conducted every weekend, that is on Saturday and Sunday, every Saturday and Sunday till your board exam. You have to pay only one time registration fee. Whichever the subject which you are interested, you can join for that particular subject by paying per subject 1000 rupees as the registration fee, and the rest of the classes will be conducted completely free of cost. The registrations, actually we have given the deadline of 2nd Jan, but still maximum students are requesting to give some more grace time for them to join for the classes, as most of them are not aware of this crash course. So I request the students, the one who is interested to join for this crash course, they can join. And actually the features of this program, what we are going to do here is we are going to complete the entire syllabus revision, and also the things what I have suggested you now, we are going to solve each and every question related to each and every area. Okay, we have already done with the maths blueprint analysis. If you have not watched, you can just go through it. In the below description I'll be sharing you the link. If you have not seen, you can just go through the math syllabus also. So here we are going to complete the ample revision of the entire syllabus, and along with that we will be giving the regular testers. Study materials are provided, and we are going to analyze, we are going to check your test papers, and we will give you the proper exams. We will prepare you in all the ways. Still, in case if you have not completed your syllabus, no problem, we are going to do it. And here we are just focusing only on those areas which is required to you, and from where you can score the very good marks, and also the possibility as per your efforts you can score 100 out of 100 also. Okay, but you are facing 80 out of 80 paper. The rest 20 marks, it depends upon your school, the projects how you have submitted, but here 80 of 80 you can score very easily. So this is a great opportunity, my dear students. You can just follow us even through Google. You can just search as Evershine Coaching Center, and you can see the previous reviews of our other students who have done with us. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Great learning. Take care. And still, once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and share this video as much as possible with your all friends and also with your classmates. Take care.